Text: How to clean your hearing aids. On a table is a cleaning cloth with a cleaning brush on top of it. Next to them is a silver behind-the-ear hearing aid. A finger points to each of the three items in that order, and then fingertips from both hands pick up the hearing aid. The left fingertips hold the hearing aid, to show its side view with three dots, while the right finger points to the top dot, and is highlighted by a circled graphic. The right finger then points to the bottom dot and another circled graphic appears. The right fingers maneuver the left fingers down the ear hook to the ear mold to hold it, while the right finger points to the ear mold. The left fingers hold the top of the ear hook while the right hand takes the cleaning brush and begins to brush the side of the hearing aid where all the dots are located. The left fingers then hold up the ear mold so the right hand can brush it clean. The right hand places the brush down on the table and then picks up the white cloth and wipes the entire hearing aid. The cloth and hearing aid are both placed back on top of the table. Logo: Beltone. Text: 2023 GN Hearing A/S, all rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing A/S.